Hi there, welcome to Module 5 of UI UX. And in this Module 5, we'll be talking about Introduction to Layout Grid, Icon Usage, and Plugins. In our last class, we talked about freeform layouts, which we talked about. I'll also explain auto layout and layout grid. So for now, we'll get to talk more about layout grid, icon usage, and plugins, because we have to know it better to know how to either we want to use our freeform layout or want to use automatic layout. So it is best we know our layout guide, right? Let me take you back to what we had from our one. I taught you guys about constraints, where you can set your constraints, right? I taught you about freeform layouts, where I told you it has, you have the right to put anything anywhere you want without any automatic restriction. That was what we discussed in the last class. Now, icon usage and plugins. Icon usage refers to how icons are selected, styled, and applied across a design to maintain visual consistency and improve usability. It covers things like size, color, spacing, stroke width, and ensuring all icons follow the same design system. I will still teach you how you can get your icons on Figma, on how you can know the perfect icons to use. But I just want you to understand that you have to maintain visual consistency with your icon and your text. So it depends on the size that you want. We have the 16px, we have the 20, we even have sometimes 18, we have 24, we have 32, we have 30, we have even 40s, right? Depending on what you are designing. So whether you are using the stroke or outline, maybe you want stroke 1 or stroke 1.5 or 0.85 or stroke 2, depending on the stroke that you want. So the spacings, the color, whether you are using a tonal icon, depending on the colors that you want as well. Okay, so let's talk about plugins. The plugin usage. So plugins are add-on tool that extends Figma functionalities. They help you to automate tasks, import assets, and optimize workflow and enhance design capabilities like icon libraries, Lorem ipsum generators, accessibility checkers, and many more. So they are just like a third party in Figma where you can get all your, what you need to enhance your design. So we have icon plugins, which we have lucid icons, material symbol icon, iconify, phosphorus, hero icon, etc. A lot of icons. Now let's get into our Figma and let's know how we can identify where we can get our plugins and those icons. Okay, so we get onto our Figma here and let's delete this, please. Control X. How do we delete? You can press your Control X or your delete keyboard. So we come here. Can we see our action, but our action tool here? We click on it. Can you see assets? So the same asset you see here. So if you have any stored assets, all your stored assets will be there. So we have plugins and widgets. That is where you get your plugins for. A lot of plugins are here, which you talk about. Let's try with Unsplash plugins. Let's say you want to get image for a lot of things. So please save before you run. Can you see this crease? Okay, this is locked. So obviously it will have the watermarks. I just pressed it and then it showed this one. So anyone that is locked will always have a watermark. This one is not locked now. Let me bring it. Can you see there's no watermark in it because it's not locked? So let's say we want to get this now. This is just me trying to teach you how to go about. Let's say you want to get exactly this. Control C. Let's try Figma Make. Control V. Give me the prompt to generate this exact image. Another way you can actually do it is that you can actually save it and get to take it to your ChatGPT or to your Gemini and to give you the prompt, and you take it to Whisk AI. I'm just teaching you plugins. So let's see, it's thinking, give me the prompt to generate this exact image. It might still generate the exact image. It might still give me a prompt. Okay. Yeah, create something. But let me copy this. How am I copying it? I just held on to, I'm using a mouse. So I just held on to my left click and then just kept copying. Control C. So let me say yes, generate for me. Okay, while we are on this, let's go back to our Chrome. Then we'll come here and we look for Wix AI. Wix AI. Okay, so we just sign in with Google. This is meant to give us if you had opened. So if you have the image effects, just look at it here, or Wix AI is always at the image effects. Just get your things. Okay, so basically, yeah, it's supposed to give you that. Let's go back to our Figma. Let me say, give me the image here. So if you're using Figma Education, it's meant to copy the design, but I don't think copy picture is allowed if you're using the free plan. So new copy design, copy your current previous design layers and edit in your Figma. Let's see. Okay, can you see ready to edit on canvas? Can't copy design layers from Figma Make. So you have to be on the professional plan that you can actually copy, or educational plan. So let's go back to let me look for more. There should be free Christmas lights. There should be ones that are Christmas lights. Let's check. Can you see? Let's see, I come here, create a frame, and I want it to just be in this frame. So I keep this frame selected. How do you know something is selected? Make sure this light blue line is showing. Can you see? This is highlighting, but this is selecting. So I press on this. This is not locked, so it will appear very well. But this is locked. Can you see how beautiful this is appearing? Because it's not locked. So let's go more. Hold on to this and see this beautiful house. Can you see? Mm, these beautiful trees. Really good. Very, very good. Can you see quality images? Unsplash is the plugin. There's a lot of, where you can get your images from actually. This is beautiful. It's not locked to as well. Oh my god, this is really nice. Even this one, I like this. I love this. Really beautiful. So can you see? Here you can decide to close the image, what was it called? But this one is locked. So you see that it's having the watermarks. And it's not be nice you having watermarks in your images. Okay, do not make sure you have images that have a lot of watermarks. So basically, what's another plugin again that we can find? I think Lumi too. I think Lumi too is for images. You save and you run. So I think it should come up at any time. If it doesn't come up, we press it again. So it's loading now. Can you see? So this is a beautiful image. We'll take on it. Can you see? I think this comes with watermark as well. So you upgrade to Pro for you not to have the watermark. Comes your watermark. So you upgrade to Pro. This is your Pro plan. $10 per year. You can start your 7 days trial though. You can start it. I think you have to make a payment. You have to sign up for you to do your 7 days trial. So you just sign up and that's it. Sign up with a Gmail account and that is it. So basically, yeah, just ask online, ask Google what are the plugins you can use to generate images in Figma. Okay, the plugins you use to generate images in Figma. There are a lot of plugins. Anything you want is in Figma. So deleted that one. I come again and let's find lucid icon, right? This is lucid icon here. You save and you run. Remember what I told you? So this is it, all the icons that you want. You want a flatten path, you want to lock layers, insert outlines, reset settings, your size. If you want it to come in 16, you make it 16. Stroke width, you want it to be 1.5 or 1.2, depending on what it should be giving you. You can actually put it there. And this is it. This is the icon. Maybe I need this clock icon. I just drag it out, or just I press it. I'm sure it's meant to come out. This is it. And then I can change this to white. And you can bring out a lot that you want, as much as still rename them to one. To FFFF rather. That's white. So a lot, you can bring out that one too. Which one again? Material symbol icon. Okay, let's get to material symbol icons, and let's type material symbol. Okay, and see, save and you run. So now this is Google standard icons. That's what Google, all the whole Google designs that you see, Drive, Google Slides, Google Sheets, everything Google is being designed with these icons, which is this material symbol icons, because they're all designed by Google. So in this weight now, you can control your weight size here. Can you see 100 to 700 here? You can control if you want fill or not fill, the grade you want, the 24 pixels that you want. You can all control them here. Put it on fill now, it is fill. Off, it's someone that has body. So still the same way to bring out. You bring out, press it, and you make it white. You can choose to make this one, see, this 2040. Anything you're bringing now will not be 20px. We have iconify. Okay, iconify. Go back to your plugins and we get, this is the iconify here. Please, you save and you run. There's a lot of icons here. Material symbol is here, Google material icons, material lights, material, everything you want, remix. Even toner icons are here. Just name main cute self. Main cute icons are here. Wow. Import all. You import all. Then this is theme. This is the field. This is the outline. Can you see? You want everything in outline. This is everything in outline. This is category. You will see everything depending on how you want them. Then search. You filter by anything you want to filter by. This is remove main cute. So you can still go back and find your main cute better. I love main cute icons too. I never knew they are here. So I always come back to it and I got my main kits. If I say import all of them now, import as components, can you see? To import a lot and choose to import them so that you can be using them for your icon swap. Icon swap, we'll still get to talk about it as we progress. I just want to show you guys how this is being done. It's quite fast. Remember, I did it so as a component to let it keep loading. So changes saved, 24 black, group by first letter, import as component. I want to know where they are. This is it. They are all components. Icon B, whatever you're looking for, that is B. Baby field, baby, anything that is B, whatever that you want. So there should be another icon. You can even change the settings here. Can you see? 12, 16, 24, 48. And even change the color here to something else. You go back. Let's say you are done with main kills. You want, I don't know, you see the icons, cool icons, these coolie con icons. You want them. There is a lot of icons here. Just follow the ones. SVG spinners, you want them. Can you see? Let's say I want this. I just drag it out. And this is it. Bring it to a frame. Let's see. Will it play? We get to check if it will play. Let's check. It's not playing. But it is meant to, if you prototype it very well, it is meant to actually play when we get to prototype. But yeah, all the spinners that you will need is actually here. Everything that you need is actually here. So no need of you doing so much. This one too is here for in case you want to do your loading, whatever that you want to do. I think this should still be on layer blur or something. Can you see? Can you see? Now I've removed it and we have this. So we still have this one too here. It's just you flexing. You can use it as your design. When you start prototyping, you want something that will be going that direction, the spinning that direction. It's just an after delay. It's just be rolling, rolling, rolling. This one roll, this one roll, this one roll, continuous rolling. That's just the thing. Then this one. So you see table icons, remix icon, min cute too. A lot. Just find the ones that you love and can use and works better for you. Okay, so what another type of icon again that we have? We have phosphorus icon and hero icon. Let's check phosphorus. You save and what you run, please. Okay, it's loading and you just get to see a lot. This is a plane. Same way, just drag it out and then you have your icons. Just drag it out and you have your icons. That's just it. Okay, and then we have another one again. We have hero icons. Okay, hero icons. This is hero icons here. You save and you run. Still the same thing here. And you have everything that you need. It's not hard. Can you see that it's not hard? So just find your icon plugins and all of that. Once you find it, there is no problem. So we have three types of icons. We have outline icon, we have field icons, and we have tonal icon, outline icon, field icon, and we have tonal icon. Okay, so in the part 2 series of this module 5, we'll get to talk about and explain better of what the outline icon, the field, and the tonal icon means. So see you there.